This is your grand living area. The 8 by 8.2 kitchen appears even more bigger, but ये master bedroom boasts of a lot of space over here, has a space for... Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Ekta Kapoor and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of Koltepatal Ecos, which is located in the Koltepatal Life Republic Township, developed by Koltepatal developers located in Marunji. Before we move ahead, let me tell you a little more about Housey. Housey is India's #1 online real estate platform जहाँ पे आपको कनेक्ट किया जाता है सीधे डेवलपर के साथ. Unlike other real estate platforms जहाँ पर जब आप करते हैं इंक्वायरी, your number is shared with multiple brokers और आपको आते हैं multiple calls. Housey पर ऐसा नहीं होता है. यहाँ पर हम आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करते हैं, आपको बिल्डर के साथ डायरेक्टली कॉन्टैक्ट करवाते हैं, जिसकी वजह से आपको बेस्ट प्राइसेस मिलते हैं, बेस्ट अवेलेबल ऑफर्स मिलते हैं, and you stay aware of all the details that you need to know. So book your dream home through Housey. Home buying simplified. Let's now start with the project overview. The property is going to be constructed on a 5.89 acre land parcel out of the 400 acres of land parcel inside the Koltepatal township. Now these are going to be 5 towers that are going to be launched, which will have ground plus 12, 22 and 35 floors of premium 2 and 2.5 BHK residences. Talking about the location, the project is located at Marunji. As you can see, this is the sales office and this right over here, Koltepatal Life Republic Township Road to the sales office. Now, as I told you, the project is located at New Marunji Road in Punavle. And talking about connectivity, the project is very well connected to the Hinjewadi Road. From here, the Marunji Road is just about 1.8 kilometers and the Sai Balaji International Institute is just about 2.7 kilometers from this location. Moving ahead with the amenities, the project boasts of 40 plus lifestyle amenities in the likes of swimming pool, multi-purpose court, kids play area, jogging track and a much more healthier life with all of these amenities. This is the Grand 2 BHK, which is of 837 square feet. Now before we go into the house, let me tell you some small specifications that need not be missed. For instance, we have a video door phone for security and a digital door lock that can be operated with your fingerprint, with a digital key and also with a master key. Now let's go inside the house and let me show you more details. This foyer area is of approximately 3.11 by 8.2. It also comes with a special space for your shoe racks right behind the door. This is your grand living area. Now the living area, the kitchen and the dining are almost clubbed in together to make it look even more spacious. The living exclusive is of approximately 11 by 15.10 square feet and it comes with this additional balcony as well. The dimensions of the balcony are of approximately 11 by 4.1 square feet, comes with anti-skid tiles and a covered balcony. When we come back into the house, as I said, that the living, dining and the kitchen are almost merged together. So this is your dining space, which is again of approximately 7.7 by 8.10. That means you can almost call it 8 by 9 square feet dining area, which is pretty big. This accommodates a table for 6 approximately. And this is your kitchen. The 8 by 8.2 kitchen appears even more bigger because there are no partitions and no spaces that cannot be utilized. For instance, this is the space for your fridge, an L-shaped kitchen table over here that ends at your sink, and your dry balcony, which is of approximately 3.5 by 7.7 square feet, comes with anti-skid tiles and water fitments for your washing machines. While we're going into the house, let me also tell you that the house comes with home automation and touch panels instead of your regular electricity sockets and boards, which are pretty safe even for children in the house. Now let's move into the rest of the house with your guest bedroom on one end, the common toilet and the master bedroom right behind me. Let's take a look at the common toilet first. This over here is your common toilet and washroom, which comes with CP sanitary fittings and wall-to-wall vitrified tiles. The size of this one is of approximately 8 by 5 square feet. And then comes your kids bedroom, which is of approximately 10.2 by 11 square feet. Now this is again a tad little bigger than the regular guest bedrooms or kid bedroom that we see in normal houses. Comes with a very big window for ample ventilation and for perfect lighting. Now, before moving into the master bedroom, let me tell you that all the doors also come with these rubber strips. So every small detail has been taken care of, just like Housey takes care of every detail जो आप तक पहुंचती है. जैसे कि सिर्फ सैंपल फ्लैट वीडियोस नहीं, बल्कि आप हाउसी पर देख सकते हैं ओवरव्यू वीडियोस, 360 डिग्री टूर्स और प्रोज एंड कॉन्स भी. हर प्रोजेक्ट का हम आपको लोकेशन टूर भी करवाते हैं ताकि आप तक सारी की सारी इंफॉर्मेशन पहुंच सके. एंड वी ऑल्सो हेल्प यू विथ लोन्स एंड ऑल्सो गाइड you through the perfect EMI plans. So your complete home buying package is at one place, and that is at Housey. Quickly book your site visit with us today so that we can show you this house at Kolte Patil Ecos and many other properties that you are interested in. चलें फिर तब तक मास्टर बेडरूम चलकर देखें. 13 by 11.1 का ये master bedroom boasts of a lot of space over here, has a space for your wardrobe, table, and still you can see there is so much space in the complete master bedroom. And it also boasts of a beautiful balcony which is of approximately 9 by 3.5 square feet, a covered balcony with anti-skid tiles on the flooring. Your master bed washroom is also pretty big. It is of 8 by 5 square feet, comes with anti-skid tiles, wall-to-wall vitrified tiles and standard CP sanitary fittings as well. Now this was the 2 BHK tour of Kolte Patil Ecos, which is located at Panavle Marangi Road in the Kolte Patil Life Republic Township. Do not forget to like and share this video with all the people who are planning to buy a house. Thank you so much and stay tuned to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.